Hello viewers, in today's video, we unbox and review the Iwata AircoolZ18. Let's have a look inside the box. Two pieces ice pack. 4 pieces caster wheels. Iwata remote control. Warranty card and Iwata user manual. Let's look at Iwata from all angles. There is a water pump inside the water tank. Let's examine the Iwata Size. .4 inches width, or 26 centimeters. 8.6 inches length, or 22 centimeters. And 21 inches height, or 53.34 centimeters. I'm curious if there is a top water for the ice pack. Okay, there's no ice pack chamber on top like in previous Iwata air cooler models. I removed the dust filter in the back to inspect the inside and learn how it works. The Iwata cooling pad. I noticed the hole where the water exits and flows to the cooling pad. And dropping into the water tank. Let's put the caster wheels. Fill up the water tank. The water tank has a capacity of 4 liters. I used the Omni digital power reader to monitor the wattage. I also use a Unity mini anemometer to measure wind speed. The wind speed is not stable while using the mode button. Let's press the cool button and look at the back. Looks excellent, the water pump is working properly, and water is flowing on the cooling pad. Let's look at the wattage, which is 57.8 watts. Swing check. Let's use the Unity mini anemometer to measure the wind speed from low to high. The wind speed in low mode is 4.2 meters per second. In mid-mode, the wind speed is 5.4 meters per second. The wind speed is 7.1 meters per second in high mode. Oh, terrible, the battery for the Iwata remote control is not included, so I can't test it. Do not eat. Oh, I see something inside that looks like food. What is it? It's sodium polyacrylate. The sodium polyacrylate has the ability to absorb 100 to 1,000 times its mass in water. Wow! Amazing! Allow it to freeze in the freezer before putting it in the Iwata. We put this in the water tank because there is no ice pack chamber on top. Before we finish up the film, let's have a look at the cooling pad. I see that the water and cooling pad is fully soaked. Thank you for watching.